Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. Have you ever wondered how to break into the IT industry with no experience? Well, you're not alone. Many successful IT professionals started just where you are, without a single line of code under their belt. The IT industry, teeming with opportunities, welcomes those with a passion for technology and a dedication to continuous learning. So don't fret if you're stepping into this world with a blank slate. You don't need a background in IT to become a successful IT professional. All you need is the right mindset and the willingness to learn. The first step towards breaking into the IT industry is self-learning. In today's digital age, a plethora of online resources are at your fingertips. Free courses, YouTube tutorials, and interactive forums offer a wealth of knowledge across various IT domains. From coding to cloud computing, cybersecurity to data analysis, you can embark on a journey of discovery and learning at your own pace. This self-study is the foundation of your IT career. It's the first step towards acquiring the knowledge you need to break into the industry. Once you've built a solid base of knowledge, the next step is to get certified. Certifications in IT are like badges of honor, showcasing your skills and commitment to potential employers. They serve as tangible proof of what you know and what you can do. For those just starting out, consider entry-level certifications such as CompTIA A+, or Microsoft Technology Associate. These don't demand any previous experience and can really help you stand out from the crowd. Certifications not only validate your knowledge but also make you more appealing to employers. The third step is to network and gain practical experience. Networking is crucial in any industry, and it is no exception. It's all about making connections, meeting like-minded individuals, and sharing knowledge. You can start by joining online IT communities where you can engage in interesting discussions and learn from experienced professionals. But networking alone isn't enough. You need to get your hands dirty and gain some practical experience. One way to do this is by participating in hackathons. These events provide a platform for you to apply your knowledge, solve real-world problems, and work in a team environment. Contributing to open-source projects is another excellent way to gain experience. It allows you to work on actual software projects, learn from others, and even showcase your skills to potential employers. Lastly, consider doing internships. They offer a structured way to learn and provide a glimpse into the professional IT world. Practical experience coupled with networking can open doors for you in the IT industry. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. So, how do you break into the IT industry with no experience? Remember these 3 key steps. Start with self-study, enrich your knowledge, and build a strong foundation. Next, acquire relevant certifications to validate your skills. Finally, network and gain practical experience. It's all about dedication and the right approach. The IT industry is always evolving, and there is always a need for new talent. So, start your journey today, and who knows, you might be the next big thing in IT.